Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Kamakhya. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss on the best review of the upcoming smartphone Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Here's a complete review of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, including its expected launch date, new display specs, and key features. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, complete review. Introduction. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of foldable technology, and the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to bring revolutionary improvements. The latest leaks suggest that Samsung is focusing on enhanced durability, a thinner design, and a next-gen display panel. With the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung is expected to refine its foldable experience further, making it lighter, more durable, and with even better displays than its predecessor. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, expected launch date. Samsung typically unveils its foldable lineup during the Galaxy Unpacked event in July or August. Based on previous trends and industry leaks, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to launch in calendar July or August 2025. The pre-orders will likely begin immediately after the announcement, with the official sale starting in late August or early September 2025. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, new display specs and design upgrades. Main foldable display. Mobile phone 7.8-inch QXGA plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X. Heavy checkmark LTPO 120 Hz refresh rate. Heavy checkmark higher brightness, up to 2500 nits. Heavy checkmark new ultra-thin glass 2.0 UTG for improved durability. Heavy checkmark stronger crease resistance with a redesigned hinge. Upper display, outer screen. Mobile phone 6.3-inch AMOLED 2X. Heavy checkmark 120 Hz refresh rate. Heavy checkmark more edge-to-edge design with thinner bezels. Heavy checkmark Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection. New hinge and slimmer build. Small blue diamond advanced teardrop hinge for reduced display crease. Small blue diamond lighter frame, weighs under 250 g. Small blue diamond IPX8 water resistance, possibly IP67 for dust protection. Samsung is working on making the foldable thinner and lighter while improving durability, solving one of the biggest complaints about previous Fold models. Performance and hardware. Feature. Details. Processor. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4/Exynos 2500, region-based. RAM and storage, for 16 GB RAM, 256 GB/512 GB/1 TB, UFS 4.0. Battery. 4,600 mAh to 4,800 mAh, 45W fast charging. Software. Android 15 with One UI 7. S Pen support. Yes, but still no built-in S Pen slot. Fire new AI features. Samsung's Galaxy AI will be deeply integrated, bringing AI-enhanced multitasking, smart summaries, and real-time translations. Camera upgrades. Camera. Specifications. Main sensor. 50 MP OIS, improved low-light performance. Ultra-wide sensor. 12 MP. Telephoto sensor. 10 MP, 3x optical zoom. Under-display camera, UDC. 5 MP, more transparent for better screen visibility. Front cover camera. 12 MP. Camera with flash camera highlights. Heavy checkmark better low-light performance with AI processing. Heavy checkmark upgraded under-display camera for a seamless main screen experience. Heavy checkmark improved portrait and video stabilization features. Battery life and charging. Battery larger battery, possibly 4,600 mAh to 4,800 mAh. High voltage 45W fast charging, wired. High voltage 25W wireless charging plus reverse wireless charging. Samsung is expected to improve battery efficiency, especially with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's power management optimizations. Software and features. Lightbulb Android 15 plus One UI 7 will introduce heavy checkmark AI-powered multitasking, split-screen improvements, auto-app pairing. Heavy checkmark live translate on calls and messages. Heavy checkmark Samsung DeX wireless mode. Heavy checkmark extended software support, up to 7 years of updates. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, expected price. Variant. Expected price, India. Expected price, global. 12 GB plus 256 GB. Indian rupee 1, 59,999. $1,799. 12 GB plus 512 GB. Indian rupee 1, 69,999. $1,899. 16 GB plus 1 TB. Indian rupee 1, 89,999. $2,099. Money bag launch offers. Samsung is expected to offer pre-order bonuses like free Galaxy Buds, extra exchange value, and bank discounts. Pros and cons. White heavy checkmark pros. Heavy checkmark thinner and lighter design. Heavy checkmark better durability, improved ultra-thin glass 2.0. Heavy checkmark brighter and smoother foldable display, 120 Hz plus 2500 nits peak brightness. Heavy checkmark powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. Heavy checkmark AI enhanced multitasking and camera improvements. Heavy checkmark longer battery life with faster charging. Heavy checkmark Samsung's extended software support, up to 7 years. Crossmark cons. Crossmark no built-in S Pen slot, still requires an external case. Crossmark high price. Crossmark under display camera still needs improvement. Final verdict. Should you buy the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be the best foldable phone of 2025, focusing on a more refined design, better durability, and AI-powered software enhancements. Fire who should buy it? Heavy checkmark foldable phone lovers who want the latest and best innovation. Heavy checkmark professionals and multitaskers who need a big screen for productivity. Heavy checkmark Samsung loyalists looking for a premium device with long-term updates. While the high price remains a concern, the upgrades in durability, display, and performance make it a compelling choice for those seeking a next-gen foldable experience. Thanks for watching.